Hey guys, this is Sounds Like VDHANI. Today we are going to look into my Hey guys, this is Sounds Like VDHANI. Today we are going to look into my single mind game.
And that's the intro. Let's start.
Let's dive into the drop and its elements. So the major catch here in the drop would be, I would say it's the vocal chops, and then there are a few layers backing the chops up. So we are gonna listen to them one by one. There are 4 layers of vocal chops which I'm gonna play right now. There are a few background elements backing the vocal chops, such as synths and a few effects here and there. And this is how it sounds all together with the vocal chops. Next, if we talk about the bass, we only have one layer of bass in the drop. I think I had just used a filtered saw waveform serum for the bass here, and the lows and the mids and highs are processed separately. Here's the top drums and the kick with the bass, how it sounds. For the drums also, we do not have as many elements for the drums. It's just a very minimal track. This is not even a drum and bass sort of a snare. This is a more trappy sort of a snare with a basic hi-hat like on 116 and 1/8 right pattern for the groove. This is how it sounds. Nothing crazy, and then there's just a crash on the first beat for the impact. And then the kick, just the basic drum and bass pattern. What majorly brings in the groove to the track, what drives the track is the bass, I guess, because it's a running bass and it's like very aggressive. And then there are the vocal chops and the synths and effects elements which like fill the track up entirely. So on the vocals, there is Zachary Rafe. We first met back in 2019 or 2020, right after I finished my course here at the academy. He got in touch with me for a production project, and since then we have been working together. We have a lot of tracks together, as in upcoming also and released also. I'm gonna play the vocal separately for a better understanding, and then we'll play it together.
I swore this time would be the last one. I'm done living in the past, done. But you just kept me hanging on your lip.
So when it comes to songwriting, like I personally am not really well versed with writing lyrics in particular. So I majorly work on the music and the composition of the track, and Zach, he does the lyrics and the vocal composition majorly for all the tracks. When this track started, I had a different collaborator altogether for this track, but then that did not work out. So we already had a theme for the track. Then I had sent this track as a demo, like I removed the older vocals and I had sent it to Zach to write it. So that's how the theme came into play. Like I had created the drop already according to the older vocals. That I Miss You bit was from the older version of the track. So that's how Zach wrote around that I Miss You bit, and then we played a little with the names, mind games. Okay, so for the breakdown, the intro section, I have a few elements. That would be a guitar, then there is pluck, arp, and then there are keys. This was the chord progression basically which I came up with first. Then there was the guitar I made. This is the guitar loop like which keeps on playing throughout the track. And then this is just a basic ARP pattern. And then there's just a crackle sound for the intro. So this is how the intro sounds. I used the vocal chops to introduce the track. And then there were a few effects here and there for transitions. Like this. For transitions, like these go on throughout the tracks, and then there are a few risers and sweep ups, which is like I really surprised myself with these vocal chops and the bass, how well they complement each other when they are like played separately. Also, like just if I play the vocal chops and the bass, it's like still groovy without the drums. So I really love the vocal chop bit of this track. It honestly did not take me too much time to make these chops. So like as you can hear, it's like very basic. Just cut a few sections here and there, made a groove, and like just came up with these. And then these transition vocal chops were from the older vocal I had. And then there are a few ambient elements in the track like which you won't hear with the entire track, but it just fills the track up.
Already feel the blues, and I know bad news. Tell me why I miss you. Tell me why I do. I miss you. I don't wanna miss you, just a dirty issue. I don't wanna miss you. I don't wanna miss you. Tell me why I do. Won't you tell me why I do?
I was not expecting such a good response on Spotify. People have been listening to this track, and I got around 5 or 6K streams. That was just in a span of 1 or 2 weeks after the track release. The response was too good. With that being said, this was the breakdown of my track, Mind Games with Zachary Ray. I'll leave a link in the description for you all to check it out. And I also recorded a DJ set at Lost Stories Academy, which is gonna come out next week. So watch out for that. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.